Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix not enough memory to open this page Chrome. Open File Explorer, right-click this PC, click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab, click Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Check Custom Size. Initial size is 12,000. Maximum size is 15,000. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.